All right, let's be real. Discipline sounds about as fun as eating plain oatmeal every morning for the rest of your life. But what if I told you your brain could actually crave discipline, like it craves that third slice of pizza at 2 a.m.? Yeah, it's possible. And no, it doesn't involve hypnotizing yourself or joining a military boot camp in the mountains. Let's flip the script. Discipline isn't about being some superhuman monk who never touches the snooze button. It's not about white-knuckling your way through life while dreaming of the day you finally binge Netflix again. Nope. Real discipline, the kind that sticks, is about rewiring your brain so that doing the hard thing starts to feel good. Sound crazy? Hold that thought. Because this isn't some mystical self-help fluff. This is neuroscience. Your brain is plastic, meaning it can change, adapt, and even start liking the stuff it used to resist. Let's be honest. You've tried to be more disciplined before. Maybe you swore you'd work out every day and made it to day 3 before collapsing like a deflated balloon. Or you set your alarm for 5 a.m. and ended up in a toxic relationship with your snooze button. Here's why that keeps happening. Your brain is addicted to instant gratification. Dopamine hits, shortcuts, comfort. It's not your fault. It's evolution. Your caveman brain wanted safety and snacks, not productivity and six-pack abs. So when you try to force yourself into discipline, your brain's like, no thanks. Let's scroll Instagram and order food instead. But here's the twist. You can hack this system. You can train your brain to crave discipline the same way it craves sugar, TikTok, or peeling off a sticker in one clean piece. Think of every habit like a loop. Cue, routine, reward. That's it. Right now, your brain has bulletproof habit loops for stuff like junk food and doom scrolling, because those give you fast rewards. Discipline. It feels like all effort, no payoff, so your brain resists. Time to flip the reward system. Here's how to make discipline addictive. Start so small it feels stupid. Most people fail because they go too hard, too fast. Day 1, wake up at 5 a.m., run 10K, drink kale, journal, cold plunge, then crash and burn by day 3. Here's the smarter move. Start so small it feels ridiculous. Want to work out? Do 1 push-up. Want to write a book? Write 1 sentence. Want to wake up earlier? Set your alarm 1 minute earlier. Why? Because small wins create momentum, and momentum beats motivation every time. Here's a pro move, temptation bundling. Your brain's basically a rebellious teenager. It hates being told what to do, so don't tell it. Trick it. Pair what you have to do with something you want to do. Only listen to your favorite podcast while working out. Only watch your favorite show while folding laundry. Only scroll social media after you've done your most important task. Suddenly, discipline isn't punishment, it's part of your pleasure loop. If this all sounds great, but you're still thinking, yeah, but I always fall off after a few days, then you need this next step. Gamify everything. Why do we obsess over leveling up in video games, but groan at the idea of leveling up in real life? Simple. Games give us instant feedback, points, streaks, power-ups. So bring that into real life. Track your streaks like Duolingo. Give yourself points for every win. Challenge a friend. Loser buys coffee. When you make discipline feel like a game, your brain turns on, and suddenly you're weirdly excited to do the thing you used to avoid. Here's the real cheat code. Pain is inevitable. The discomfort of waking up early, or the discomfort of rushing through your morning, the discomfort of working out, or the discomfort of feeling sluggish, the discomfort of saving money, or the discomfort of being broke. Discipline isn't about being hard on yourself. It's about deciding which pain am I willing to live with. And that flips discipline from a punishment into a power move. One of the biggest mistakes people make, they under-celebrate their wins. They do something hard, then immediately move on to the next task. No dopamine hit, no reward, no habit reinforcement. Don't do that. Did you do the task? Fist bump the air. Resisted junk food? Flex in the mirror. Woke up on time? Yell, let's go! Like it's game day. Celebration equals dopamine. Dopamine equals reinforcement. Reinforcement means you actually want to do it again. Let's make this real. Pick one ridiculously small discipline habit and start it right now. Do 1 push-up. Write 1 sentence. Set your alarm 1 minute earlier. Then drop it in the comments. What was your tiny win today? I want to hear it. You weren't born disciplined. You weren't born lazy. You were shaped by your habits. And habits can be reshaped. Stop waiting for motivation. Stop saying you're just not that type of person. Your brain is plastic. You can rewire it. And one day, if you stick with this, you'll wake up and realize something crazy. You actually crave discipline. Not because you have to, but because it feels good. Now go get that tiny win. And if you want more brain hacks like this, hit subscribe. Let's make discipline your new addiction.